Hello viewers, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn a easy method for squaring numbers between 50 to 60. Like assume one number is 52 and we have to find out its square. So what is the square of 52? Now the method says we have to write 52 into 52. And in the answer section, there will be two halves. One half will be right hand side and half will be left hand side. In the right hand side, there will be two digits. Okay, so there will be two digits in the right hand side. Okay, now these digits will comprise with the square of the rightmost digit in the given number. For this case, it's 2. So square of 2 will be 4. We'll write 4 there. Okay, and we have to put a 0 in the left box. Now, what will be in the left hand side? Now the left hand side will be, we have to write 25 and add this particular number. What is in my rightmost digit, that number will add with 25. So the result is 27 here. So we have to write 27 here. So 52 square will be equal to 2704. That means 2704. Again we try to understand with a different example. Assume that the number what has been given is 57. That means we have to find out square of 57. So what is the procedure? First we have to write 57 into 57. Now what is the rightmost digit of this given number 57? This is 7. So we have to take out the square of this digit. So here it will be 49. Okay, and then what you have to do, we have to write 25 and then add this rightmost digit with this number. So here it will be 32. So this 32 will simply place here. So my 57 square will be simply equal to 3249. Okay, hope you guys understood the process. Thank you for watching.